Hi all, welcome to Heights to Fly. Today we are discussing a topic ratio and proportion in mathematics, which is very important to all school level students, especially from standard 6 to 10th and for all competitive exams. Today we are discussing about this and some of its important problems. First of all, we are going through some basic elements of ratio and proportion. The ratio A to B is the function A divided B, and it can also be written as A is to B. In A is to B, we can call A as antecedent and B as consequent. For example, the ratio 3/4. 3/4 can also be written as 3:4. Okay. Then, by multiplying the value 3 in numerator and denominator, we get another value which is equivalent to the basic ratio. That is, when multiplying 3/4 numerator by 3 and denominator by 3, we get it as 9/12. We can represent this ratio, that is 9/12, as 3/4. The value remains unchanged. Then let's go to a question. Which one is equivalent to 4/7? Or which is equivalent to the ratio 4:7? Four options are there: 23/29, 10/12, 12/21 and 10/30. What will be the answer? The resultant ratio should be a multiple of 4. Numerator should be a multiple of 4 and the denominator must be a multiple of 7. Okay, let's go to the answer. Here the answer is C. When we multiply 3 into the numerator and denominator, we get the value 12/21. Such a relation is not mentioned in all other options. That is 23/29. There is no common factors. 10/12. We can't represent 4/7 into 10/12, and similar the case option D also. And the next question is, two natural numbers are in the ratio 3:4 and their product is 2160. The smaller of the number is. Once again the question. Two natural numbers and the ratio given is 3:5 and the product of these natural numbers is 2160. The smaller of the number, that is the question. Okay, let's go to the answer. The ratio can be represented as 3x and 5x because a common factor is removed from the actual value. Then we get the ratio 3:5. So we can represent 3:5 as 3x and 5x, and the product of these numbers, that is 3x into 5x, which is equal to 15x square. Product is equal to 15x square. Then 15x square is equal to, as per the question, it is equal to 2160. Then x square is equal to, we will get it as 144. Then square root of 144 is equal to 12. So we get the value x as 12. The question is asking for the smaller number among the two numbers. Which one is the smaller? Smaller number is, obviously we know, it is 3x. So the value is 3 into the value of x, which is equal to 12. So the result is 36. Option A. The next question is, the ratio of 4 meter and 2 kilometer is. Here the values given are 40 meter and 2 kilometer. The units are different here. That is, one value is mentioned in meter and the second one is mentioned in kilometer. So we have to convert. There are 4 options. So let's go to the solution. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 kilometer. So 2000 meter. So 40 meter is to 2000 meter. Then by dividing the two values using 40, we will get it as 1:50. What is the ratio of 80 paise and rupees 5? You can give the answer in the comment box. It is given as a self-work and the answer is mentioned in the end of the video. Okay, the options given are 2:25, 4:35, 4:25 and 6:35. Okay, give the answer in the comment box. 4 numbers in the ratio 1:3:4:7 add up to give a sum of 105. Find the biggest number. 4 numbers are in the ratio 1:3:4:7 and the sum of these values is 105. Find the biggest number. 4 options are given. Let's go to the answer. So we can represent the 4 values as 1x, 3x, 4x and 7x. We multiplied the 4 values by using a common element x. Then the sum of these numbers, that is x plus 3x plus 4x plus 7x is equal to 105x. Sorry, which is equal to 15x. So 15x is equal to, as per the question, the sum of these values give an answer of 105. 15x is equal to 105. X is equal to 105 divided by 15. We will get the answer as 7. And it is asking for the biggest number. The biggest number is 7x. The value of x is also 7. So the highest number is 7 into 7, which is equal to 49. The question asks for smallest number, then the value will be, what will be the value? It is 1x, that is 1 into 7, which is equal to 7. But here it asks for the biggest number, so the answer is option C, 49. Next question is, ratio of boys to the girls in a class is 5:4. Which of the following cannot be the number of students in the class? Ratio of boys and girls are given and the question is asking for which of the following cannot be the number of students in a class. Okay, let's discuss the question. Let's say number of students will be 5x and 4x and the total count then will become 9x, that is 5x plus 4x, which is the total number of students in that class, which is equal to 9x. That is, the count should be divisible by 9. The total number of students count should be divisible by 9. According to the options, the number except 98 are divisible by 9. That is, 45 is divisible by 9, 72 is divisible by 9 and 108 is also divisible by 9. But option D is not divisible by 9. So the answer is option D. All other numbers, option A, B and C, have chances to become the count of total number of students. Hope you understand. Next question. Find the mean proportional between 8 and 32. Find the mean proportional between 8 and 32. 4 options are given as mean proportional. Let's go to the answer. What is mean proportional? Mean proportional of two values is equal to the square root of multiplication of that numbers. That is square root of, if the numbers are A and B, then square root of A into B is the mean proportional of that numbers. Square root of that two numbers. Okay. Then the answer should become square root of 8 into 32. which is equal to square root of 256, which is equal to 16. So the answer is option B. In our next question, mean proportionality between 12 and other number is 6. Find the second number. It is a case of the previous question. The mean proportionality is given, which is equal to 12. The one number is 6. The mean proportionality between 12 and other number is 6. One number is 12 and the mean proportionality is 6. So we have to find out the second number. So we know the equation. We know the equation as square root of A into B is the mean proportionality. Okay, here square root of 12 into B is equal to 6. Square root of 12 into B is equal to 6. To remove the square root, we can square the value equation. Then 6 becomes 36 and the square root will get removed and the value 12 into B remains. Then B is equal to 36 by 12, which is equal to 3. So the option is A. Next question. Find the fourth proportionality to 3, 7, 15. Three numbers are given. We have to find the proportional value, fourth proportional value, and 4 options are also given. Let's go to the answer. We can rewrite the proportionality as 3 is to 7, which is also proportional to 15 is to some other value. So 3 by 7 is equal to 15 by the fourth value. 3 by 7 we can rewrite in this as in like this. 3 by 7 is equal to 15 by that unknown value. Then the unknown value can be find out by cross multiplying this equation, that is 15 into 7 divided by 3. Then the unknown value we get it as 35. Once again, the given values are 3, 7 and 15. We have to find the fourth proportional value. So we can rewrite this as 3 is to 7, which is equal to 15 is to some value. We can find out the fourth value by using this equation. So the answer is option C. And the next question is, if A is to B is equal to 2 is to 5, find 3A plus 4B is to 4A plus 5B. 4 options are given. Here the value of A is to B or A by B is given, which is as 2 is to 5. Let's go to the solution. That is 3A plus 4B divided by 4A plus 5B. We can rewrite the ratio as like this. Then we are dividing the numerator and denominator by B. So the value becomes 3A divided by B plus 4. Dividing numerator and denominator of the ratio by B. So we can rewrite the values as 3A by B plus 4 divided by 4A by B plus 5. Okay. The value A by B given is 2 by 5. So we can substitute the value A by B in the previous equation, that is 3 into 2 by 5 plus 4 divided by 4 into 2 by 5 plus 5. By simplifying this equation, we get the result as 26 by 33, option C. And that was our last question. And our painting question, what is the ratio of 80 paise and rupees 5? And the answer is given here as answers option C. I will tell you the steps given in for this solution. So 80 paise and the second value is in rupees. So we have to convert into 1 unit, that is to paise. 80 paise and rupees 5 can be converted to paise by dividing rupees 5 into 100. 5 into 100, which is equal to 500. So 80 is to 500. 80 is to 500. Then dividing, we will get the value as 4 is to 25. So today we will discuss some important problems in ratio and proportion, and it will be very useful. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share for new videos.